Welcome to the installation guide for the Watchman 452 by CellGate. In this video, we'll walk you through what comes in the box, how to wire and power the unit, and the steps for mounting and setup. Inside the package, you'll find the Watchman 452 unit, a blue board, a 12-volt DC power supply, keys, carriage bolts, flange nuts, and a customer information packet. Be sure to remove the plastic covering from the W452 screen before installation. When wiring the device, always use stranded and shielded cable, 6 conductors for the main device, and 4 conductors for any optional Wiegand devices. Remember, polarity is important, and we don't recommend running wires longer than 60 feet. Powering the unit is simple. Use the supplied 12-volt DC 5-amp transformer, making sure the positive wire connects to the plus terminal and the negative wire to the minus terminal. If you're using 12-gauge wire, splice it down to a smaller size inside the device, so it fits securely. For solar setups, please contact CellGate for instructions. Next, let's look at the blue board inside the device. Wire the main power from the transformer into the blue board. Connect your gate trigger wires to the normally open and common terminals, and wire gate status inputs to the relay and magnetic switch. Optional readers, keypads, RFID, or card readers can be connected through the Wiegand port. If you're wiring gate status, remember to connect only to a dry contact on the gate operator. Never apply power to the blue board input. Depending on your setup, you can use dry or wet contact relays, either normally open or normally closed. For wet contacts, you must use a diode to maintain your warranty, so reach out to CellGate if you need guidance. When it comes to mounting, the W452 is designed to fit on a pedestal using the included bolts and gasket. Attach a 14-gauge grounding wire from one of the bolts to a grounding rod for safety. If you prefer a flush mount, contact CellGate for detailed instructions. Finally, before powering on the unit, make sure the customer's internet is connected through the VPN cord. When you power it on, the W452 will search for a DHCP address for about 60 seconds. After 60 seconds, press the blank button under the 0 key 5 times to have the device read out the IP address. Verify that the IP address matches the customer's network. If it defaults to 192.168.0.10 or is not in range, try a power cycle, then check the IP again before contacting CellGate technical support for assistance. And that's it. The Watchman W452 is now ready for activation and testing.